How to breed betta fish or biting fish. Select your female betta. Next, prepare also your male betta. Make sure it is bigger than the female. Prepare your breeding tank. I highly advise to use stock water for breeding. When you are breeding betta fish, I recommend to use some aquatic plants like water lily. After preparing your breeding tank, put the male betta. Leave it at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then put your female betta. Wait for 24 hours before you release the female betta. The male will make a bubble nest and it's a sign that it's ready to breed. You can add more aquatic plants if you want. After 24 hours, here is the bubble nest that the male betta made. It is the sign that is ready to breed. Release your female betta on the breeding tank. Wait again for 24 hours to see the result. I add more water lily for the male betta to make a bigger nest. It will help the male betta to carry the bubble nest that will hold the eggs for 2 days. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it and please subscribe to my channel. And also click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you!